Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear friends. Good morning. Have a nice day. Friends, today I am again present for your sir online system. It is lecture number 12. No, 13. Right. Lecture number 13. So friends, which type of this lecture and what we will cover in this lecture and what are the contents on today this lecture. So I will guide you, I will suggest you. Today we will focus on Wi-Fi, right? Wi-Fi. So please consult with me, connected with me till the end of this video. All the best for your learning process and please share and subscribe this my YouTube channel. If you are willingly are new on this my YouTube channel, please you have to big request, you have a big suggestion. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and never you will miss updation regarding my upcoming new series lecture. So please connect with you guys. This is interesting. This is also popular topic I want to share all of among you. So please connect with you guys. Again, all the best for your learning process. Lecture number 13. Wi-Fi. So please connect with me. Thank you. So friends, lecture number 13. Firstly, we will discuss on the Wi-Fi. What is Wi-Fi? Next, how work of Wi-Fi. Note, these are the contents. Today we will focus that. Right. Number 3 is that how many types of Wi-Fi. Right. And which types of Wi-Fi are popular or unpopular, means unsuccessful, right? So please you have to request connected with you guys till the end of this video. Good. So friends, you have to keep in your mind Wi-Fi is also stands for wireless fidelity. What? Wireless fidelity, right? First of all, what is wireless fidelity? Right. What is wireless? Transmissions from one place to another place, or we can say communication between two parties without wire, that's called wireless. Because you know friends, wire means wire, right? Less means without or within. You can say both of terms, you can use that. Within or without means without wire, that's called wireless, right? That's full abbreviation, full stands for full form of Wi-Fi, right? Now we will focus on introduction of Wi-Fi. So please connect here. Good. So next term is that friends, Wi-Fi full abbreviation wireless fidelity, right? It's we have to discuss wireless fidelity, right? Wi-Fi is full form is that wireless fidelity, right? Next, Wi-Fi invented or father of Wi-Fi is Vic Hayes in 1990. What? Wi-Fi invented or father of Wi-Fi, right, is Vic Hayes. Vic Hayes is the father of Wi-Fi, inventor of Wi-Fi, right? Let's suppose example in MCQ type, who invented Wi-Fi or father of dash Wi-Fi. Option A, Vic Hayes. Option B, Charles Babbage. Option C, Robotic Invention. Option D, none of them. You have to focus on clearly take the right correct answer is that Vic Hayes, option A. That's your MCQ type regarding Wi-Fi. Right, so connected. Next term is that friends, Wi-Fi is not internet. Means comparison between two parties, internet and Wi-Fi. Some parties thinking that both are same thing, right? But no, there's lot of difference between Wi-Fi and internet. So please connect it with you guys. This is trick I want to share all of among you. So please connect it and note your fair copy. Good. Wi-Fi is not internet, note. But Wi-Fi is a transmission medium. What? Wi-Fi is a transmission medium. Right. What is transmission medium? Don't worry, because I am here. Don't worry to fear. I will guide you. Good. Means we can say carry these signals and clearly reach to the side of receiver. Means destination. That's work of Wi-Fi. And Wi-Fi, you have to remember, not internet. Wi-Fi a transmission medium which carry the signals and clearly reach to the side of destination, reach to the side of receivers. Right, that's called Wi-Fi. Good. Next, from other hand, we can say Wi-Fi, we can say it's a source used for signals receiving. It is a source which used for signals receiving, and that signals reach to the side of destination or receiver side. That's work of Wi-Fi. Hopefully friends clear about Wi-Fi. Next, Wi-Fi is IoT. What is IoT? Internet of Things. Internet of Things means multiple things. That's called Internet of IoT. Wi-Fi is IoT, Internet of Things. Note. Next, the other name of Wi-Fi is IEEE 802.11. Or the other name of Wi-Fi is that IEEE 802.11, which is protocol, right? Which is protocol. IEEE is a company. Full abbreviation is IEEE is that Institutes of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. IEEE. So let's continue. Full abbreviation of IEEE. So please connect it with me, guys. I will guide you. IEEE. So please connect it. I want to just share this full abbreviation among you. IEEE. IEEE. Full abbreviation is that I stands for Institutes of Right. EEE. Right. Institutes of Electrical and Electronics and Institutes of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Right. That's other name of IEEE. And IEEE full abbreviation, full form is that I stands for Institutes of E stands for Electrical and Electronics Engineering. That's IEEE. That's overall introduction of Wi-Fi, right? And work of Wi-Fi. Now please connect it with me, guys. I will guide you in this lecture about how many types of Wi-Fi and what are the works of Wi-Fi and which are popular or which are unpopular. So please connect it, guys, if you are interested in this lecture. This is important Wi-Fi topic. So please connect it with me, guys. I will guide you that. Thank you. Okay, dear friends, still continue our lecture number 13, Wi-Fi. So now we will focus on Wi-Fi generations, right, which are popular or unpopular. So let's continue about it. In 1980, February 1st time launched its concept of Wi-Fi. When it launched? 1980, right? February 1st time concept launched about Wi-Fi. So you have to clear about that. Good. Next, first standard Wi-Fi is IEEE 802.11. You have to keep in your mind, my dear friends, which is first generation of Wi-Fi. MCQs might be upcoming in your interview or any test pattern, which released first standard concept of Wi-Fi. First released IEEE 802.11, option B. IEEE 802.11b, option C. IEEE 802.11f, option D. None of them. You have to focus or tick correct option. Correct option is 100% that IEEE 802.11, that's first released concept of Wi-Fi when 1997. So please connected with me guys. I will guide you what's work out that Wi-Fi. Right, and launched in 1980. When launched first 1980 and when released first concept of 1997. So let's talk about that concept of Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi works on two frequencies, right? You have to focus on that. Wi-Fi work on two frequencies. Which are that two frequencies are 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Both are frequencies which work on Wi-Fi. Clear friends? Good. Both are unlicensed, means not you have to pay about both of these frequencies 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, means not pay. It is used only PAN. You have to clear about. We have discussed on first lecture LAN, MAN, WAN and PAN and SAN. So please connect with me guys. PAN stands for personal area network, means this type of Wi-Fi which is launched in 1997, 802.11, which is support 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, means work on two frequencies which are unlicensed, which have to you that unpay, right? Means not any pay about these two frequencies, right? Clear friends? Next is that IEEE 802.11b, IEEE 802.11b, which is released 1999, right? Second, right? Which is used operating frequency 2.4 gigahertz, which is also usable 2.4 gigahertz, data rate usable, and is that which is that data rate is was that 11 megabit per second, right friends? If any frequency find here M capital letter Mbps, you have to read that megabyte per second, otherwise small letter Mbps, you have to read that megabit per second. Clear concept? So this is also used operating frequency 2.4 gigahertz, second release 1999, which is the name is that IEEE 802.11b, right? Operating frequency 2.4 gigahertz and data rate 11 megabit per second, and using for interference, right? So please connect it with guys. I would like to suggest next term, which is third type of Wi-Fi. So please connect with me. I will guide in this lecture, right? Thank you. Good. Well done. Okay, dear friends, still continue lecture number 13, Wi-Fi. Now we will focus on third type of generations Wi-Fi. Third is that IEEE 802.11a, released in 2020. Third IEEE 802.11a. So what is concept of that? So let's continue. Its use operating frequency 5 gigahertz supportable, means in this generation's ability that operating frequency support 5 gigahertz supportable, right? Next is that important trick, nowadays use IEEE 802.11a, data rate is that 15 to 54 megabit per second, and this is popular. What? This is popular. This is famous generation of Wi-Fi. Nowadays use also this marketing level, right? So you have to keep in your mind. Third number is was now released 2020 and the name is that 802.11ac, right? And operating frequency supported 5 gigahertz supportable. This is popular, right? Next, nowadays the use IEEE 802.11a. Data rate is that 15 to 54 megabit per second. You have to keep in your mind. Next, multiplexing frequency. What is that? If frequency increasing, then range decreasing regarding wavelength. This is popular, right? Multiplexing frequency. If frequency increasing, then range decreasing regarding wavelength. Clear, friends? Next number is that generation IEEE 802.11g. IEEE 802.11g, right, which released in 2003, right, after releasing of 802.11a, which is was become popular, and next was launched 2003. Operating frequency again low, 2.4 gigahertz. Again it is unpopular, you can say back-end compatible, right? Means number 4 is that IEEE 802.11g is unpopular, unsuccessful generation of Wi-Fi. So please note it, very important tricks. Today I was sharing all among you, my friends. So please connect with me, guys. I want to share number 5 and 6 generations of Wi-Fi. So please connect with me. All the best. Good. Okay, dear friends, still continue our lecture number 13, Wi-Fi. Now we will focus on number 5 and 6 and 7 generations of Wi-Fi, right? So please connect it with you, guys. Number 5 is that IEEE 802.11n, right? And it's 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, right? Supportable. 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz supportable, right? And next number 6 is that also IEEE 802.11ac, right? Means these both are nowadays useful and also famous marketing demand. These both generations of Wi-Fi, IEEE 802.11n and IEEE 802.11ac, means both are nowadays useful and also famous, popular, right? And IEEE 802.11n also is that 2004 releasing year. Released, it is very popular. Data rate 600 megabit per second, right? IEEE 802.11n, because this is popular, right? And also both are used for that MIMO, MIMO stands for multiple input and multiple outputs, right? In this situations use these two generations of Wi-Fi, popular Wi-Fi, IEEE 802.11n, IEEE 802.11ac, both are popular, right? So clear? Good. Next term is IEEE 802.11ad, released in year of 2010, right? It's used when you will pay that, means used when you will use that, you will pay about that, right? 2010 invented 802.11ad. It is used when you will pay that. It's supportable 7 gigabit per second data rate supportable. Number 7 IEEE 802.11 AD. Next, last generation, number 8, I want to share in this lecture. So please connect with me, guys. I will guide you in this lecture. All the best. Last section. Well done. Okay, dear friends, still continue our lecture number 30 Wi-Fi. So this is last 8 number of generations of Wi-Fi. So please connect with me, guys. IEEE 802.11 AF, released 2014. 2014. What is range? What is that generations of Wi-Fi? So please connect with me. I will teach you about that. This is also, we can say, super Wi-Fi. White Wi-Fi. First of all is that you have to keep in your mind. Next, used on TV, or you can say used on large range, means many meters covered distance, many meters away covered distance. IEEE 802.11 AF, released in 2014, and which is super Wi-Fi or white Wi-Fi, right? And used on TV, large range, many meters, many away distance covered, 802.11 AF. So friends, that's all for today, and this is last 30 Wi-Fi tricks we have to discuss in this lecture. And inshallah, I will conduct the next lecture, important topic. I will guide you new things, and inshallah I will finish this series, networking engineering technology. After that, I will conduct 2 new next upcoming series, which are that number 1 is web project regarding university students. We have already that comments that please help us about web project related thesis report. So please don't worry, because I am here. Don't worry to fear. Please connect with you guys, share and subscribe. This is my YouTube channel, and share educated families and also educated professional friends. And inshallah, that's all for today. Inshallah, we will again meet on next lecture, new trick about networking engineering technologies. Inshallah, I will finish that, don't worry, and I will conduct web project and next English grammar, and next one is that chemistry for first year and intermediate class. Please connect with me. I will guide you more of subjects on online YouTube channel, just like banking, web programming, C program, C++ program, but step by step, right? Because practice make me perfect. You have to practice regarding my all lectures we have covered, right? So please connect with me, guys. God bless you. Thanks for watching, and share this my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thank you again. Thank you. All the best for your learning. Thank you.